Hey guys, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I will be showing you how to replace the AUX port on a Bose QC45. Tools will be needed for this repair is a Phillips screwdriver S2 and a 1.5 S2 flathead. You can find these in our kit in the link below in the description, or if you have one laying around at home, that works as well. So first you want to start off with your Phillips screwdriver. Flip the headphones over, take off the ear pad, and it'll be located on the left side, which is opposite from the button, or you can just look right underneath the headphones. AUX right there. That's good. You want to unscrew the headphones. There will be 2 screws. There you go. Then you flip it over, be a little careful. Sometimes this pops right off, but there is a clip, so you got to make sure you do not hit that clip. So you want to pull it off from the inside part out. Then you got the clip. You just place in or grab your flathead and just pop it up like that. It comes off that easy. I'll make it look like magic, I know. Next, you'll be wanting to put your Phillips back on. There's 2 screws. This is the AUX port right here. There's 2 screws that you'll need to take off first. And make sure to keep all your screws separate because they are different sizes. Then if you can use your flathead, or you can use pliers or anything like that. There's some sticker here you got to remove because it's holding everything in place. Pop it off like that. You can place it back later if you would like. You do not have to, but something we recommend because it is a little bit of a heat shield. Then you lift your AUX port right out just like that. You do need a soldering iron as well. Make sure you got one of those present because you will be needing to unsolder it on this side. There's a little clip there. You can just pull that right out. As easy as that. Pull this off. And this is where the soldering iron comes in handy. There's a little bit of glue holding down this side of the button. You can scrape it off. Just be very gentle and slow. It comes off pretty easily, but you don't want to scrape too much of the power board here. Just like that. Now, once that glue's up and you can feel it being a little bit more free and ready to move, just like that. Lighting's a little off right there. You'll grab your soldering iron. Make sure the tip is nice and clean. Grab your flathead or your hand or some pliers and just place some heat right there. You can start on one side, lift up, and slowly but surely it'll pop right off. You can go over every single line. It's okay if you damage this old AUX wire or the AUX if you have another wire already. And you just keep going over it until you're all the way off. And just like that, comes off. It takes a while, but that's just because of the way it's soldered onto there. It's a little annoying, but comes out sooner or later. Then you want to grab your new AUX port. For the sake of the video, we'll be using the same AUX port. Just take off the glue. This is how you'll get your AUX port if you buy it online from us. Get your new AUX port, and just like you took it off, you're gonna put it back on. You can put a little tape right here to hold it down. Get it nice and flush. That's about it. And squish it down. Good. Grab your soldering iron, and you can use a flathead, or again, your finger, your pliers work, and go over each one individually. The heat I'm using is 840. And just like that, it's easier to put it back on than take it off. You can give it a tug to make sure it's not coming off. Not too hard though. Then you want to place this ribbon back into the AUX wire. if I can get here. I would use my fingers, but I got a little chubby hands, so a little harder. Then you can place the AUX port back into its place. You will see right here, I'll do a little close up for you guys if it'll focus. There's two little pins right there. You want to make sure those pins are in and you can see them. And then that's when you know you can screw the screws in. Grab your first screw and make sure when you're screwing it in, once you place it in, you don't screw the first screw in all the way as hard as you can. Nice until it gives back some pressure, like it's fighting back a little bit. You place the other one in, then you make sure, you know, put some pressure on it, make sure it's all in place. Then you can screw one in and screw the other, just like that. You put in your new AUX port, you grab your outside cup, and right there is where it goes back onto. You'll see a little gold pin. You just place that back onto there. You'll feel a small click and you'll know it's in place. Give it a little tug. All right, we're good there. Put the cup back over. And when you're putting the cup back over, I said this in all the Bose QC45 videos, see, that is not okay. Something's in the way. Boom. Nothing's in the way. Something's in the way. Nothing's in the way. There's got to be almost fully flush that outside cup with the speaker housing. If it's sticking up a little bit, that means something's in the way and it won't allow you to screw these screws back in, and you could be damaging something. So make sure that is 100% flush. Grab your last two screws, screw them back in, just like that. And voila, you have replaced your AUX port on your Bose QC45. You plug in the AUX wire, you jam some good music, whatever you like, and you enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.